Drive Tesla Canada is reporting that the Government of Canada has launched a new request for proposals under the Zero Emission Vehicle Infrastructure Program. This initiative aims to deploy thousands more electric vehicle chargers across the country. The new RFP will support the installation of chargers in both public and private locations. Public chargers will be placed in high-traffic areas like highways and public lots. Private chargers will be installed in multi-unit residential buildings, workplaces, and locations servicing on-road vehicle fleets. Eligible projects must include SAE J3400 connectors, also known as the North American Charging Standard, developed by Tesla. Tesla has previously received government funding to build 14 supercharger stations with 129 stalls in British Columbia, Alberta, and Saskatchewan. Funding for chargers varies by type and output. For example, Level 2 chargers can receive up to $5,000 per connector, while fast chargers with 200 kilowatts and above can get up to $100,000 per charger. Indigenous businesses and communities can receive up to 75% of total project costs. The federal government aims to deploy 84,500 EV chargers across Canada. This includes contributions from several programs, with a 70% increase in EV chargers recorded from 2022 to 2023. Applications for the RFP are open until September 19. Funding decisions will be made within 100 days, and agreements signed within 3 months. All approved projects must be completed within 30 months. You are listening to UON News.